Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log in to your BMO Harris Bank account online. Whether you're accessing your personal or business account, we'll make sure you have a smooth experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the BMO Harris Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for BMO Harris Bank, www.bmoharris.com. Press Enter to go to the website. Step 2. Locate the Login section on the homepage. Look for the Login button. You'll find it in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login portal. Step 3. Select your account. You will see options for different account types such as personal, business, and investment. Click on the appropriate option that corresponds to your account. Step 4. Enter your credentials. In the login portal, you will need to enter your user ID and password. Make sure to input this information carefully to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Click on Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues while logging in, there is an option for Forgot User ID or Password. Click on that link and follow the prompts to recover your account access. Step 7. Secure your account. Once logged in, it's a good practice to enable two-factor authentication for added security. This feature will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember, logging into your BMO Harris Bank account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.